Welcome everyone to yet another episode of Prep Shots 2.0. Today, we bring to you some tips and tricks to ace one of the trickiest sections of the CAT examination that have got students dazed and confused, the VARC section. We have with us today Shardul Patil from the 21-23 batch, who scored a great 98.43 percentile in the VARC section of CAT 2020. Let's hear what he has to say to all the aspirants. Hi Shardul. Welcome.
Hi Bharat, how are you?
I'm great, Shardul. How are you?
I'm doing.
Okay, great, Shardul. So let's start with the interview. So my first question to you is, what would be your strategy to attempt the VARC section in the 40-minute time frame? As we all know, from CAT 2020, the time has been reduced to 40 minutes per section. So how would you go about attempting the RCs and the VA section, considering the limited time frame as of now?
Yes, certainly 40 minutes are quite short for this VARC section. And I would say habit of reading certainly helps to finish all the RC questions in time. It is quite important to develop the habit of reading. It will enable you to read the passages faster and attempting all the questions in a fast manner and improving your accuracy in the exam. And one more thing is get to know which topics of the RC you are better with. Personally, I did better with science and geography related topics, and I was not good with the philosophy and artistic, those type of passages. Like I think no one likes them. So get to know them. Have a look at all the passages at the start of the exam, like 30 seconds, 45 seconds. Select the passages, select the topics which you are good at, and start attempting them early. Attempt them and then have a look at the difficult ones. For VA, it's quite similar. There are different types of questions like odd man out, parajumble, conclusion, what conclusion you drive from the short passage, etc. Get to know by practice, you will know that you are better with a certain type of questions than the other. Attempt them, make sure that the answers are right, your thought process is correct. Attempt them first, and then if you have time at the end, attempt the ones you are not so sure about or not that great with. That is my agenda for the VARC, maximizing the output for the VARC section in 40 minutes. Thank you.
That makes a lot of sense, Shardul. So adding on to that question, so how did you make your selection of the RC passages, since there was no time to attempt all of them along with the VA section, because you had to choose between a few RCs if you want to attempt the VA section, as there was a time constraint. So how did you go about selecting these passages?
Yeah, certainly a very relevant question. I was better with RC than with VA. So what I used to do, I used to look at the topics of the passages, solve the topics which were I found easier to deal with. Then I will look at the other topics which I found difficult and attempt those passages. The thing is, don't ignore these passages altogether. Sometimes you may find like passage is difficult or the topic, it has a topic which you don't like, but the questions will be easier. So have a look at the questions too in such case. Sometimes questions are easy, like you read the passage and you can answer them. So don't miss out on such questions, attempt them and then go ahead. And if you attempt these questions, it will be an edge for you. Like people may ignore these questions. They will be like a difficult passage and I'm not attempting. So that is an important point. And if your VA is better, then attempt VA in first 5, 6, 10 minutes, whatever time you take. Attempt that first, make sure that all are correct, then attempt the easier passages. And if you have extra time, then only attempt the difficult passage or difficult question. And that's how it is done. So basically, knowing your strengths and weaknesses matters in this last 1 month. And you must have practiced for last 6 months, 1 year, and you will practice a lot more in coming months. So I think you can develop that sense and excel in this section.
Great, Shardul. That would be a great piece of advice for our budding aspirants. So my next question to you, and my last question is, some students find the VARC section a cakewalk, but for others, a lot of them, it is a nightmare. So since there is just 1 month, less than a month away from CAT, so what are your tips to the aspirants for their final sprint in preparation for the VARC section? Especially there are a lot of students who struggle with the vocabs, and some students struggle in comprehending RCs in a short duration of time. So what are your tips for these students?
So if you are finding vocab part difficult, I would say devote half an hour each day to brush up on the vocab knowledge. And if your coaching classes have the division of words in like easy, medium, difficult, very difficult, then ignore the very difficult words. It's highly unlikely that you will encounter them in the passage. And as we are not getting directly vocab based questions in CAT nowadays, I would say you can do that as we have less time to prepare. But don't ignore the idioms and sayings, that particular part of vocabulary, because sometimes in the passage some saying or some idiom will be there, and there will be a question which requires you to know the meaning and use it to fill in the blank or something like that. I have seen those questions. So if you know the meaning of that saying or idiom, you will 3 marks, get 3 marks like that only. And someone who hasn't prepared for vocab may leave that question. So I think that part is important. Grammar questions are not asked directly. So if you have time, then you can prepare grammar. Then what else I can say? Yeah. So this is for vocabulary, and for the speed reading, habit of reading, as I said earlier. If you read more, attempt more questions, you will be faster. Devote extra time to RC and VA sectional tests that your coaching classes give you. If you are getting less percentage in VRC, you solve them in addition to the mocks that you are already giving. Devote some time for that. It will help you to improve your score in VRC section in your complete mocks as the time progresses and we get closer to the category. I think this would be my advice.
That's a great advice, great piece. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts and your insights with the candidates. I'm definitely sure your advice would help the candidates nail the VARC section on D-Day. So it was great talking to you. And with this, we come to the end of this episode. So everyone, please stay tuned for the next episode where we bring you more candidates who talk about the different sections of the CAT examination. Stay tuned.
Thank you.